What's going on, everybody? March 8th, 5:30 in the morning, taking a look at crude oil once again. And we're going to look at a couple different plays if you want to step on the other side of the plate and go short oil. So we're looking at oilprice.com. This is a pretty cool website with a lot of information regarding oil. So that is oilprice.com. Check that out. There's also another website here. This is EIA.gov. Gives you some pretty neat historical data on some prices. Looks like it dates back to 1993. So check that out as well. I will leave these in the video description. Let's take a look at, this is light crude oil futures. This is just a continuous contract. You can see we are, looks like today at 121.83, right up in here. I believe that the top for oil is in, if not very close, and that took place yesterday. Doesn't mean we will not go higher. I just think we are very close to a top here for crude. We are quite extended from the 200-day. The 200-day is down here at 77 bucks. That would be nice to see crude get back down there. Definitely a squeeze at the pump with oil up at these prices. But let's take a zoom out. Let's see here. So on the screen, over to the left-hand side, this is the 2008 highs. It looks like that was right around 146, 147. And currently on the right-hand side of the screen, we hit a high of 130, which was in the overnight session yesterday on March 7th. So I think we are very close to a top here, if not already in. I think we will top out within this range, if not already in, at 130. So we could go a little higher, but these parabolic moves are not sustainable. And at some point, we will see a pretty big downtrend here. I don't think we'll take out those 2008 highs. Just like down here when oil dropped off a cliff, moves like that are not sustainable as well, and we bounced back up. And also when oil tanked from the 147 down to the 33, at some point you got a bounce and we moved higher from there. When we get too far away from the 200-day moving average, like down in here in 09, we see those counter trend moves that get us back to the 200-day. Just like here, too far away in March of 2020 and back to the 200-day. And where are we at now? Well, we are getting quite extended from the 200-day. So I think some kind of a move back down to the 200-day, if not heading in that direction, is closer rather than later, sooner rather than later. So let's say you want to get short crude, you want to take advantage of that move that could be coming to the downside. There's a couple different products here. Let's jump over to the first one. So this is DRIP, ticker symbol DRIP. This is a 2x bear for S&P oil. So this product moves down as oil moves higher. And you can see that looks like we might have bottomed yesterday, and that would correlate with oil hitting a top down here at, looks like $2.86. So if oil starts to head lower, this will start to head higher. And just like oil, this is quite far away from its 200-day, which is up at $6.35. So there definitely could be some potential for a good swing higher here for DRIP, D-R-I-P. So you could check that one out as well. Ticker symbol DRIP. This will move in the opposite direction as oil. So oil goes up, this will go down. If oil starts to go down, this will start to move higher. So that one you can check out if you're looking to get short oil, be a contrarian indicator and step on the other side of the trade. Let's check out another one here. This is SCO. This is the ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Crude Oil. This is another one here. So check this out. Let's go back to 2020. So when oil tanked and went negative, you could see this product skyrocketed to the upside. So oil went down, this product went up. And then when oil went back up, this product went back down. So we are sitting down here at $5.42. Obviously, oil has been skyrocketing to the upside, so this product has been tanking to the downside. But if we are going to take the play that we think oil has topped, if not very close to a top, then we should see this product start to move back to the upside. And like the other products, very far away from the 200-day, which is up at 1502, and this thing is at $5. So we're a solid $10 away from the 200-day moving average. So that is just another product you could use to get long if you are thinking the top for oil is in. Of course, not financial advice, but you could check out SCO, and you could also check out DRIP or DRIP. Also, we can head into some of the micro futures for crude oil. This is also a continuous contract. So you can outright just short the futures. Of course, not financial advice, but this is a smaller product. You can outright short the futures, and that would be a good way to bet against oil. And you could also short the outright crude contract. It is a very big contract. But if you are a futures trader, you probably know the in and outs of the risk and the contract specs, as well as the risks and the outright contract specs for the micro contracts as well. So that is just a couple different plays that you could take advantage of if your thoughts are the oil top is in, if not very close. Of course, it does not mean this will go higher or this will even head lower. We could just trade sideways. Who knows? Of course, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. But you could get long DRIP, D-R-I-P. You could also get long SCO. Or if you are a more experienced trader who trades futures, you could dabble in the futures contracts. Here's the micros, and this is just a continuous crude oil contract as well. So that is my thoughts here. I believe that the crude oil top is in, if not very close, and I am checking out these products here, DRIP and SCO. Once again, back to this website. This is oilprice.com. Check it out. I will leave a link down in the video description. And this is another website here, EIA.gov, for some historical data. All right, we're going to keep an eye on what happens here with oil. We're up a little bit this morning, but not too much. The general markets look like they are rolling over a bit once again. A lot of fear out there, fog of war. We'll see where these markets find their bottom, if not already in place. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch these videos. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers, and thank you once again to all of my current subscribers taking time out of their day to watch these video. Could be a lot of money to be made here on the downside for oil. We'll see how this thing plays out in the coming days. All right, everybody, take care, be safe out there, and always do your own research.